Hello, welcome everybody. So today's run, we're gonna pick up some parts. Find a guy that's a part now, the E90. So I'm gonna get a few things from under the cabin filter cowl, where I'm gonna do my next video, or probably a few videos from now, doing the M3 style cowl setup type of thing. Yeah, make a more cleaner setup under the hood, easier to do little stuff, you know, like doing the valve cover and changing spark plugs and coils and stuff. So this is gonna make it much easier. So follow through, we're on the road. Yeah, man.
Meeting a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus, yeah. Meeting a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus. Ay, turn on the live, come live, yes sir. Me at the five, yeah the five, yes sir. We outside, Tighten up the whole place, nice coming. Buzz it, y'all hear the zzz and a pussy get wet. Come me buzz it. People are watch y'all, listen on the blind and deaf. No me buzz it.
Alright, cool. So I just pulled up, told dude I was here. I didn't even have to do nothing. He already had the parts already pulled off and ready for me. See? Boom. Alright, so I'm about to head back to the house. That was a quick and easy one. So stay tuned for the next adventure or the next project. You see me? So talk to you guys later. Alright, so I'm back. Nah, I ain't even go nowhere. But picked up the parts, and yo, I am just glad and grateful for this gentleman. Gave me a wonderful deal. I got everything. The covers for the DME, the filter part right here, and the lower part. All I really needed was just the lower part, but for the price he gave me everything. So from me getting everything now, it kind of changed my idea what I want to do with the project. So I'm thinking what I'm probably gonna do. I'm still gonna do the M3 style cowl, but now the difference is, you see down here on the one that I have in the car right now, these tabs are broken. So the wire for the wires to connect, to hold up, because presently in mine's, my whole wire thing is hanging and is sitting on top of the engine cover. So what I might do, even though I'm not gonna need it now, I might take that lower piece out and do the mod to that, because when you do the mod, you lose all of this, you cut all of this out. So I think I'm gonna save it and save this, because that one is fixed in case I want to go backwards and put back the old style or whatever, but probably not. But it's better off I cut the one that's on the car. And so if I decide to go back, or somebody, you know, whatever reasons, I want to have this part that's fixed, and this one is in great shape, so I don't want to damage that for a mod. And I have these where I might do carbon fiber to, and carbon fiber to this as well, and probably sell 1, 2, 3 as a set, because I don't need those. I have them on my car, and most likely I don't need them on these. I'm keeping from my car anyway, and I might do carbon fiber on it too to dress up my engine bay. But most likely I'm gonna definitely do this one, and then have those up for sale for anybody that wants those. So I probably recoup the money I spent on these parts, which I probably definitely will. So by the time this video goes up, if I still have it, anybody interested can definitely get it. I'll sell it to you for a good price. Or you want to trade for the one that you have on your car, and you know, some cash of course, so you get a good deal. Plus now I'll do the process all over and do carbon fiber with someone else. But yo, anyway, we'll see how that works out. I need everything here looking good and clean, so I'm gonna see you guys soon. So remember, like, share, comment, subscribe, check out the IG DBaddest. Stay tuned, because I got some other things planned. By the time this video drops, I probably have the interior speakers switched out, the rear and for the doors. Then of course I gotta put on the rear diffuser, because I did finish that. So maybe by the time this video is up, you probably end up seeing that. But stay tuned. I got more things happening and more things coming. The videos are going to be dropping more often. I'm going to be more consistent. Try to drop them every Thursday or Friday, but we'll see how that goes. Stay tuned.
Meeting a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus, yeah. Meeting a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus. Ay, turn on the live, come live, yes sir. Me at the vibe, yeah the vibe, yes sir. We outside, tighten up the whole place, nice coming. Buzz it, y'all hear the zzz and a pussy get wet. Come me buzz it. People are watch y'all, listen on the blind and deaf. No me buzz it. Them have to pay me attention, just and check. Come me buzz it, buzzing. Me have to sauce on the fat. If them a run boat, me a run yacht. Girl want tight and kind hot. That means she will take bundle. Them have to pay me respect plus tax. Talk is cheap, but the money for your chat. Brain enough to shop if you want job. You have to learn the game, listen now, watch gas. Blue, one first class, everything else.